Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. Do you understand your work environment? Kit, I have worked in so many different organizations over the years. It seems like every office or every shop has a unique environment. Not like heat and humidity or wind, but a social tone or communication climate. Some are supportive communication climates, warm and comfortable, and some are defensive communication climates, kind of cold and dreary. I agree. Sometimes the values, policies, and procedures of a workplace can be difficult to recognize and discern at first. If you're in a larger organization, you may have access to an HR manager or in-house trainer to keep you informed of your organization's expectations. In a smaller workplace setting, some of that knowledge may come from observing others and asking questions of your colleagues when needed. You might have to develop your emotional intelligence skills by observing the actions and words of others to see how they react to different situations. Here are a few surefire strategies to support a positive work environment. When engaged in a group conversation, consider including everyone. Try to ensure that each person has an opportunity to speak and share their experiences. During meetings, you want to make sure you consider ideas from everyone, even if they're different from yours. Respect others by listening. Try to return phone calls within 24 hours. Even if you do not have an immediate answer, let your colleagues know that you'll follow up as soon as you have an answer. Be considerate when using break room facilities such as microwaves and refrigerators. Respect can also involve being honest with your colleagues and clients about your abilities, timeliness, and offerings. Finally, if you're unsure how you present yourself to others, ask for constructive feedback from your colleagues or manager. Gathering an outside perspective of your workplace etiquette can help you realize actions you may have not noticed before. Jot down some notes and to review daily and to improve your etiquette routine. I know you have had many clients hire you to deliver business etiquette presentations. I see people react strongly in your audiences to some of the suggestions because they had never considered these small modifications to their etiquette practices. A lot of aha moments for some people. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. Do you understand your work environment? We spend more time with the people we work with than the people we live with. If you're wondering how to improve your work environment, contact me at kit@welchlin.com. I'll provide a seminar that will help you be comfortable in the workplace.